Guys, there's something magical about sitting out here in the wild, surrounded by nothing but nature.
It's peaceful, isn't it? No distractions, no notifications, just us and this moment.
You know, this reminds me of Animals by Walt Whitman.
I read it for our English class last week, and it made me think about how animals seem so much more content than humans.
Really? What's it about? I mean, I've read the poem too, but I'd love to hear how you interpret it.
Whitman talks about how animals are far better than humans in the way they live. They're calm, self-reliant, and free from the constant worry and greed that plague us.
Oh, I remember that part where he says animals don't whine about their condition or lie awake in the dark and weep. It's so true, we're always complaining, but animals just live in the moment.
And they don't have any concept of hierarchy or guilt. Whitman says they don't kneel to others or regret their sins. It's like they've transcended all the societal constructs that weigh us down.
Exactly.
That's the theme of the poem. Humans have complicated their lives with unnecessary desires and social structures, while animals live in harmony with nature. Whitman's tone is reflective, almost meditative. He admires animals for their simplicity and subtly critiques humans for losing touch with nature.
And the imagery he uses is beautiful. When he describes standing and watching the animals, you can almost feel the calmness of that moment.
Oh, and I notice the repetition in the line, I stand and look at them long and long. It emphasizes how deeply he's moved by the animal's way of life.
Plus, there's contrast everywhere, between humans and animals, simplicity and complexity, peace and chaos.
The free verse form is another clever choice. It mirrors the unstructured and free nature of animals' lives, breaking away from rigid poetic rules.
You know, the line about animals not sweating and whining really hit me. It's like Whitman is asking us to stop overthinking and just live.
And to be grateful. Animals don't hoard or crave material things, they're content with what they have.
It's also a reminder to respect nature.
We often think of ourselves as superior to animals, but Whitman flips that idea on its head.
The message is clear. There's so much we can learn from animals about living a peaceful, honest, and content life.
It's amazing how much a simple poem can teach us, isn't it?
Absolutely. Makes me want to spend more time with animals and learn from their simplicity.
What about you? Do you agree with Whitman's view? Do animals live better lives than humans? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers for more such insightful discussions on literature.
See you in the
next
next video.
In the next video.